When it comes to screen protectors, there are a lot of important features, but there is one feature that is most important. I will never ever buy another screen protector without this one feature. I'll tell you about that in a second, but first let's unbox it. The instruction manual is good. The warranty card is helpful. Here are the cleaning supplies, but then here is the pièce de résistance. Not that, that's foam. This right here, bam. That is what makes this so special. I'll show it to you in action, but that's the unboxing. Now let's throw it on. First, you want to put the car into clean mode, and then you want to get the rag and clean off anything and everything you can get with that rag. Then move on to the alcohol wipe. Again, taking off everything that you possibly can see. And then lastly, you're going to end up with a little sticker that's going to pull off any last little hair or piece of speck of dust. You want it to be completely clean because anything you don't get off will be forever immortalized behind this new piece of glass. So this is the piece right here. This is what you want. This is the self-aligning mechanism. Check this out. Slide that down and the job is done. Because of this plastic casing, it perfectly aligned it. And now you don't have to worry about getting it crooked or if it's too far over or too far this way or that way. It's just perfectly aligned. You can't mess it up. Just as long as you put that on, bam, it is done. That is the feature that you want. And now there are other important things like anti-glare, anti-fingerprints. All that's fantastic, but the perfect alignment is what just sets this thing apart. Then lastly, just work out the bubbles and you will have a perfectly looking, perfectly centered screen protector. This is so great. This is from Basenor. This was sent to me for a review. I reached out to them. They kindly sent it to me and I kindly am giving a review. I absolutely love it. This is a Model Y 2024. This is my friend's. We have one of these on my car as well, 2021. But this is a brand new screen protector to protect a brand new screen. We love it. We love it. We love it. This is my honest review. Happy to recommend it. Very nice product.